Do you know that DESMI supplies genuine spare parts kits for all your DESMI pumps throughout the pump's entire lifetime? Pumps are installed during new building or retrofitted during a vessel's life and remain in service often throughout the vessel's useful life. By knowing which pumps you have on board your vessel, DESMI can tailor spares requirements, allowing for trouble-free, easy and simple maintenance and overhaul of your pumps. Supply us the serial number or nameplate of any pump, or even better, a complete list of all DESMI pumps on board a particular vessel or vessels. When DESMI receives either the serial number or the complete pump list, we can pre-select the correct genuine spare parts kit needed. We will then make a tailored list for the specific vessel with your individual pumps and suitable DESMI genuine spare parts kits. As some spare parts are common to different DESMI pumps, you can avoid over-ordering parts or kits that you don't need, especially if there is a one-size-fits-all kit to service several pumps. The list will be handed to the ship owner or manager, and this will be available to you on your Moscord ship specific spare parts catalogue. Next time you need a spare parts kit for one of your DESMI pumps, you simply look online and click to select via Moscord, who in turn will arrange delivery to the vessel.